Now that we know how to convert denominators from 2 to 100 and so on, now we need to figure out how do we write the fractions in decimal form. So we have less than one whole. One whole would be 100 over 100 equals 1. So anything over 100 would be 1 and whatever we have left over. So for instance, 150 over 100 would equal 1.5. But in this instance we have less than 100. So we have 50 and 100. So less than 100 means that we're going to have in the ones place we're going to write 0, and then we'll have a decimal. 50 hundredths. So we're just going to go to every single time we're going to go to the hundredths place. That's tenths, hundredths. And we're going to just write our numbers. 5, 0. And transfer it over. So we have 33 hundredths. So we'll write 33 hundredths. 25 hundredths. 25 hundredths. 20 hundredths. 0 ones. And 20 hundredths. 0 ones. And 10 hundredths. $66 hundredths, 0 ones and 66 hundredths, 0 ones and 75 hundredths, 0 ones and 40 hundredths, 0 ones and 60 hundredths, 0 ones and 80 hundredths. In the first quiz, we're going to present the answers. We're going to show you this half of it, and then we'll expect you to find this half. In this third part, we're going to go ahead and remove this section and ask you 1/2 in decimal form is 0 and 50 hundredths. 1/3 is 33 hundredths. 1/4 is 25 hundredths. 1/5 is 20 hundredths. 1/10 is 10 hundredths. 2/3 is 66 hundredths. 3/4 is 75 hundredths. 2/5 is 40 hundredths. 3/5 is 60 hundredths. 4/5 is 80 hundredths. Now we have the fractions 1/20th, which is equal to 5 hundredths, 1/25th, which is equal to 4 hundredths, 1/50th, which is equal to 2 hundredths, and 1/100th. Now we need to write these as decimals. Again, we have less than 100, so we're going to go ahead and write our whole number. In our ones place, we're going to write 0, put our decimal in place, and once again, we're going to the hundredths place. So we have tenths and hundredths. How many, which in this case, which is like our tens and our ones. So how many tens do we have in this numerator? We have 0 tens, and we have 1 5. We have 5 ones. So we're going to write this again. 4 hundredths. We're going to write 0 and 4 hundredths. 0 tens, 4 ones. Same as 5 cents. We have 5 pennies. We get 5 cents. $0.05. We have 4 pennies. 100 pennies makes it $1. We have 4 pennies, so we have $0.04. $0.02. $0.01.